In this video, let's explore the key differences between structs in the C programming language and classes in C++. C structs offer a way to group data with limited functionality, while C++ classes provide a structure for data and behavior with encapsulation. Let's dive in and understand when to use each one effectively. Here is the basic structure of C structs. Structs in C are used to group together different types of variables into a single composite type. On the left, you see a C struct definition. The keyword struct is used to define a structure named person. Inside the structure, there are three members: name, which is a character array of 50 characters, age, which is an integer, and height, which is a floating point number. On the right, you see how to use C structs. Inside the main function, a variable named person1 of type struct person is declared. Subsequently, the members of person1 are accessed using the dot operator. The age is set to 30 and the height is set to 175.5. Let's examine the basic structure of C++ classes. In C++, a class is a blueprint for creating objects, which can contain both data and functions that operate on that data. On the left is a C++ class definition. The keyword class is used to define a class named person. Inside the class, there are three private members: name of type string, age of type integer, and height of type float. Also, there is a public constructor for initializing the person object. On the right, you see how to use C++ classes. Inside the main function, an object named person1 of type person is created using the constructor, passing in the name John, age 30, and height 175.5. Subsequently, the member functions setAge and getAge are used to modify and retrieve the age of person1. Let's compare the key differences between C structs and C++ classes. On the left, you have C structs. Members are public by default. C structs cannot contain member functions. They also do not have constructors or destructors, and they do not support inheritance. On the other hand, C++ classes have members that are private by default, can contain member functions, support constructors and destructors, and support inheritance and polymorphism. Let's summarize when to use C structs in C++ classes. Use C structs for simple data grouping without behavior. Ideal for plain data structures and C compatibility. Use C++ classes for complex objects with data and behavior. Perfect for object-oriented design with encapsulation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.